module, we talked about how we wanted to set up an employee template for maybe future employees so that you don't have to fill the same screens over and over for each new employee.
Right.
Let's take a look at how to do that. In the Manage Employee Information, you can choose Change a New Employee Default Settings. In here, we can add certain default settings, like for instance, the payroll schedule, which we've already set up to be bi-weekly, so everybody will be on the same payroll schedule. In here, you can also choose certain earning items, like hourly wages, if everybody that you hire isn't going to be an hourly employee instead of salary. And then your default hourly higher rate, which is
$25 an hour.
$25 an hour. So you can go ahead and enter that right here. Now, there's also other options. In another module in this course, we talk about entering time into timesheets. You can pay your employees based on the time entered in their timesheet. If they work 20 hours and they're paid hourly, you can use the timesheet that they entered to create that paycheck. And that's really helpful when you are doing things like job costing reports, because then the customer and the time is associated with that job as well as the payroll. Now in this block, we can add things that are usual add-ons or deductions from paychecks, such as expense reimbursements. And we can leave that amount blank and add it on the fly as they come up. Or if you have a standard add-on or deduction, such as health insurance, or here's one, telephone charges. Sometimes employers will offer a credit for business use of personal cell phone charges. Is that something that you do?
That is something I do.
And how much do you reimburse your employees?
$40.
$40? Well, we can go ahead and add that in right here, and it will come up automatically for all future employees. And do you have an annual limit for the amount of reimbursement?
No, I don't.
Well, if you did, you can put in that upper limit here, and as soon as the employee has paid that amount for the year, QuickBooks will stop adding it in or subtracting it from the employee's paycheck. We can also set up some default tax and sick and vacation time. We will get into the sick and vacation accruals in the next module. So I'm going to leave it all here and click OK and save it. So the next time we go to add a new employee, you can see that the items are already in there.
I see.
So that should save at least some time when adding new employees, and it also offers consistency from one employee to the next, knowing that you're picking up the same earnings and the same deductions.
That's great information. Thank you.